Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here with a backyard garden update. It's been a while since I've posted any videos, so I just want to make sure that you guys see the latest, certainly midsummer in beautiful Niagara, Ontario, lower central Canada. So just quickly here, castor bean, of course, and underneath I have a little baby Sabal Minor that was put in this year right up against the foundation wall, so we'll see how this one does. And right behind there's a little rabbit's nest tucked in. So the Sabal Minor is doing a great job protecting these little bunnies. So over here we've got some Musa Basjoo. These have been in the ground for a few years now. They come back bigger and stronger every year. So, you know, they are a large, clumping, cold, hardy banana. And a lot of pups have, you know, emerged this past year. So good to see. Now further down the garden, we walk into, you know, some needle palms. I have a needle palm here put in this year. This was a 30-gallon, so a lot of little pups. Growing some seed on the side, and you know, this one stands about, you know, 3.5 to 4 feet in height altogether. Of course, a mulberry. You got to have some, you know, winter hardy indigenous stuff, and of course, you know, a Musa Basjoo. There's my Windmill Trachycarpus tequila that I brought from my Burlington property back in. So this is for my buddy Kyle. I got some seeds here for you. These were pollinated sometime back in mid-May, so these seeds are emerging quite nicely from a male Trachycarpus I have in the front of the property. So we continue on. Of course, there's more Musa Basjoos right here. We've got another clump in and behind. Rose of Sharon offers excellent color. Of course, Adam's Needle, those are always on fire. Rugged plants, lots around. Musa Basjoo, I've got some canna lilies in behind. Got to add some depth to color. Canna lilies, of course, some more Sabal Minors in behind. These are actual blue variety Sabal Minors. Nothing special about them. However, they vary from, you know, plant to plant in terms of hardiness. However, Sabal Minors are, for the most part, in my opinion, are relatively the same in terms of what they can handle them for cold. Here's the double windmill that I planted a few years back, pushing a lot of new fronds. Beautiful plant. I've got a little 3-gallon that I planted in the front that'll stay in the ground. And of course, I got some more Abyssinian red, some giant grass, another double windmill right here. Actually, this one's a triple. It came with this little guy in the front, so this is how it was planted. So very beautiful specimen, and it is growing like a wildfire. So very happy with this double, and you know, what more can I say? More cannas. I'm trying another little gem, Southern Magnolia, this year. This one flowers like crazy. And I really love how you have the copper undertones underneath the leaf, as you can see. So very deep, very rich, deep green, high gloss leaves. And I'll be protecting this one over the winter with just some burlap. Got some more castor beans back there, and a large 100-gallon pindo that was put in about 3 years ago now. This will be its 3rd summer. So very happy with the pindo palm. Here is a smaller windmill, put out a couple of new fronds this year. Slow grower, much slower than the rest of them. And of course I have a Crepe Myrtle in behind here, a little Crepe Myrtle Zuni. And that one keeps getting bigger and bigger every year. They grow like shrubs here. They don't really flower like a tree, unless I guess they're grafted on. But the tree varieties don't quite make it in our zone here in Niagara, zone 6B, 7A. And here's another little gem Magnolia. Suffered its first winter, but defoliated quite a bit, and as you can see, it's flowering and putting on some significant new growth. As you can see here, again, some new leaves emerging, and one of my favorites is Magnolia. Next year I'll be trying a couple different varieties, but of course we're experimenting and enjoying this experience. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the tour, and you know, hit me up, check out the website, niagaratropics.com. If you have any questions, send me an email. Thanks.